Hi everyone, welcome to the Cooking with Brown Chef. Today I'm gonna do a stack of pancake. This is gonna be a massive blow. Hope you guys gonna love this one. If you follow me, the Cooking with the Brown Chef, you can find it out how to do a pancake batter and make the pancake bases. I'm gonna make 5 stack of pancake. I'm gonna plate up that 5 stack of pancake with a lot of ingredients. First of all, I'm gonna introduce that ingredients. Handful of cashew nuts and ice cream cone and walnuts and jam and mascarpone cheese and handful of choco chips, thousands of hundred, and a strawberry and a blueberry, icing sugar, ice cream and strawberry topping and chocolate topping and maple syrup. First of all, I'm gonna make the 5 stack of pancake. Let's do that first and then we'll come up here and do the garnishing. So now I'm gonna show you how to do the base for the pancake with my batter already made. First of all, you heat up the pan and use the oil spray. Make sure you take out the pan from the stove, otherwise you're gonna catch the fire. It's for the safety reason. Safety is important, guys. So you're gonna all the spray and heat it up the pan. As you see, already pan heated. Now I'm gonna put the batter into the pan. Make sure you cover the bottom of the pan, so that's the right amount to make the pancake. It's gonna depend you guys because you're gonna use a different type of pan. That's fine with that, but make sure you cover the bottom of the pan and let it cook for a couple of minutes, and then you're gonna flip it over and make sure you use the low beam, low flame to cook this one, and make sure you put the right amount of grease and let it cook. And see, after a couple of minutes we're gonna flip it over and yeah, okay, look, this is the stage we're gonna flip the pancake to the other side. See, as you can see, around the pancakes the color change and you can see the bubbles, air bubbles coming up through the pancake. Then you're gonna flip it over. So this is how it's gonna be. Yes, that's how it is. Look at that color. That's a perfect color. It's beautiful. So let it cook the other side same as this. Then you're gonna get the pancake and plate it out. Yes, that's my stack of pancakes. So I'm gonna stack them up. So nice and easy. So please follow me carefully and see how I'm gonna do that thing. First of all, I'm gonna put the first stack of pancake and then I'm gonna apply some jam. Because the reason I'm doing it, I want that pancakes stick together and it gives you more flavor too. So I'm gonna use a jam on the second one and plus all of them. So I'm gonna jam on the last one too. So then I'm gonna place this my last stack of pancakes. See now how it is. It's look like a tower, nice and easy. It gives each one of need to have the balance. Yeah, just nicely stack them. And then what I'm gonna do, first of all, I'm gonna put the mascarpone cheese on the top. I'm gonna grab some mascarpone cheese on the top. Then I'm gonna put some strawberry around it. And then I'm gonna use the ice cream cone with the ice cream. And then I'm gonna put the ice cream on the plate. And then I'm gonna stick that here. Then I'm gonna add some blueberries and the more ice cream on the corner. More ice cream on this corner. And I'm gonna put some choco chips on the ice cream. Thousands, hundred on other one. I'm gonna add some more blueberries. Then I'm gonna add some walnuts. Then I'm gonna put some cashew nut on top. Then I'm gonna use maple syrup on the top of the pancake. Then I'm gonna use the chocolate topping and I'm gonna drip on the ice cream cone. Maple syrup, I'm gonna put more maple syrup on the top. Then I'm gonna use a touch of strawberry topping. As a final garnishing up, I'm gonna use some icing sugar and put all over it. This is how we prepare the stack of pancake. Look how it's beautifully played up and a lot of colorful. It's really colorful. Red color there, green there, and the black color there. That's how we're gonna do it. Thanks guys, thanks for watching me, thanks for subscribing me, Cooking with the Brown Chef. I'm gonna see you with a different video. Cheers, thanks, bye.